Hello and welcome to Nature Heals, the first episode in my new series of video poems. Keep listening to hear 3 poems by me, K.S. Moore. Welcome to the garden. Rain has fallen in opals on this starfished gesture of leaf. Welcome to the garden, its circles of clover, its wildflower eruptions, fire breath of pimpernel, bonnet of poppy, beaded trails of tufted vetch bow to recent showers and to the snow of dusted elder. Lichen, a badge of growth on the tree's chest. Resist the urge to peel life from life. These frills, if tempered, would fall like scales. A second skin is a shield. Sky. A thundercloud smothers the sun's last shout-out. Sky makes a statement. 5 different weather zones. God, now a painter of dark rainbows rising. Swallow your blue expectations. Look up until your eyes find a match for their pupils. It's in all our lives, this cumulonimbus mass, mountains of distressed self. If we spread out our arms, ride the wind, climb up, we will find each other, learn balance. If you enjoyed this reading, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Twitter at Karen S. Davis or on Facebook at KS Moore Poet. Backstory on these poems is available to read on my blog ksmoore.com. Thanks so much for listening today and for all your support.